I'm constructing this shaving horse, and it is the Peter Galbert version that he shows in his book, Chairmaker's Notebook. And I put his drawing into SketchUp to get some more detail information and dimensional information, joinery, etc. So what I have here is the swing arm, and that's the part that rotates around a fulcrum up here, and you push your foot here and the dumb head comes down and presses against the piece of work that you're shaving. So I'm working on this swing arm, and I've bandsawed the shape of the swing arm. Right now I'm drilling the holes for some 1/2-inch pegs, hickory pegs, that will be used for adjusting an up or down spacing for the dumb head. And so here's a better view of that adjustable pin area here, where these dowels, these 1/2-inch dowels go in. So I need these sockets drilled at a 115-degree angle into this open area, which is not open yet. I haven't drilled that out yet, that open area. But I will go ahead and drill the 4 sockets for those pegs. And I worked out a different view, an edge view, where I got the exact dimensions for the locations of the center points of each of those angled sockets. So that was all marked out on the edge here. I've drilled 3 holes. I've got one more to do. These are staggered as well. There's 1/2-inch off the back edge and a 1/2-inch off the front edge, alternating. So the way I'm working here is I've got the bed of the drill press at a 25-degree angle, and I can shift it down on the fence where I need to be with that this last socket location right here. So now I know I'm right on that location for the hole. And I make sure that everything is tightened, and then it's a pretty quick operation to drill the hole. I'm starting out with some hickory. I'm turning some hickory, 1/2-inch hickory dowels that will protrude into this opening here. So that I'll glue those in later. First, the next step though is to open up this diagonal area in the middle here.